Well, hello, my art chit people. How are you today? I am wonderful. I am trying to get everything in place and done as quickly as possible because we have a storm coming. I even got tornado warnings on my phone, and I'm not getting ready to whatever. I'm getting ready so I can sit and watch. I love a good storm. Let me tell you, these storms down here, they just don't compare. Western New York does not compare. They would say we're getting a storm, a snowstorm, whatever. Those were baby storms compared to these storms. Even those 5-foot winter storms, they were fine. I mean, you can sit there and watch snowflakes fall like sifted flour. But I like these storms. Tornado warnings. Ooh, maybe I'll get something on. Maybe I'll get something on video. I don't know. I really highly doubt that there will be any tornadoes this way, but they do have to do the warning. So I want to do a nature journal spread. I did map out areas of my nature journal just so I can get a sense of where to put things, only because I want to put a lot of information in here today. Because today we're going to nature journal manatees. Oh yes, they've been here so much. That's another thing you don't see in Western New York. Oh, they've just been out here in droves. I'm telling you, they just put on a wonderful show, and I want to do manatees, all the information, as much, really good information that I can and stuff like that. So, and I promised you I would get out the ocean papers. What better paints to use than ocean papers? So let's get these open. I should come up with a better. But I do like to keep these covered, so let's do that. So, alrighty, here's my ocean papers. Let's put that there. Let's put these where I can. Let's put the water over here. My little dabber there. Alright, let's see. Let's get some paintbrushes. So let me start with, I'm going to start with, of course, we have to start with a mama and a baby manatee. There were a couple baby manatees out there a couple weeks ago. Oh, so adorable. So adorable. So I first would like to draw in, let's see, the baby will be here. And these manatees, they're just such wonderful little souls, I'm telling you. And they have this very weird looking body and face, kind of like seals, where I identify with manatees because of all the fat wrinkles. Oh, I do. And those little faces with their far apart eyeballs. Yes, baby manatee. Yeah, they have little Dacharellis. Let's see, and they're just so easy to draw because of their fat bodies, baby. But they're such gentle giants, aren't they? With a little flipper. And the babies are just so adorable, so adorbs. And he looks like he's kind of weaving. Little flipper. So they have these two flippers. Little fat body. And what I see a lot are those little paddle tails. Paddle tails in the back. So that's the babe. Just got him started, and then we'll put mom here. Mama. And the first thing I always see when I first moved here, the first thing I saw were the little noses. Their little noses sticking out. cute. Yeah, they're kind of like they've got to be related to seals somehow. You know, but seals are out of the water. Manatees do not get out of the water. I'm gonna have to really read about these. So, little eyeball, mama. Yeah, look at that. So let's do the background first. Get a little bit of background. That sea background, not a lot. This isn't really going to be a painting, but I want color. That sea color that only ocean papers can give us. Oh yeah, you probably can't even see this. I'm wondering if you can. There we go. It'll probably even dry lighter as well, so. Yeah, I'm amazed. God spoils me with all the nature that I have been watching lately. I feel totally blessed. And I'm not just saying that as a saying. I mean, I am absolutely, totally blessed here in my retirement. I thank God every day for the wonderfulness of this life. He has been very good to me, very good to me. I do work really hard to get here. And let me just tell you, work hard because you will be rewarded. You reward yourself. You can't wait for things to come to you. No, you can't. No, you can't. Just want to put a little bit more color in there. And let's get some, let's see, I'll do a smaller, and let's see, we have let's start with a light gray. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. I just love storms too. I know, I'll be careful. I will be careful, I will be careful. Let's get some gray in there. Because they do have that, the greenish, they have like a greenish gray. And let's just do that little face. Look at that little face. I mean, look at him. How can you not love a baby manatee? Baby manatee. They are just adorable. And let's see, can I put a darker color in there? And then let's wash out the rest. Oh yeah. But let's darken that paddle tail. God, he's so precious. You certainly can't have one for a pet, that's for sure. But they're just so gentle and wonderful. They really are. Now, Mom, she's more darker on the underside here. That out. I'm really not doing a painting. I'm doing an informational nature journal. But I want them to be cute. I want them to be cute. Yeah. Yeah. Very, very nice. Very nice. So while that's drying, how about we put some information did I tell you about my I told you about my sepia fine liners, well, or microns. I also have these are gray, and they're fine liners, but when you write with them, it looks like pencil. I'll have to show you that one day. Not today, but let's see. Here, let's do manatees. I don't want to mess that up while it's drying. Ooh, that wind is picking up out there now. Oh, rain is here. Yeah, they said the storm would start around 11, so it is 11:13. Ooh, I've been talking during my 11:11, my favorite time. Manatees. And you know what I'll do? I want to do something here. Manatees, yes. And let's see, today is April 11, 2024. And we are in, I hope you can see all this, yeah. St. Pete, Florida. Nice, very nice. So let me just erase the pencil lines that I had put in, just to give me a mapping. So we got a lot of information to put in here. I hope I could get this in a semi-short amount of time. I don't want to take hours, but I have so much information to share with you. So I think what I want is, this is a 1.0. I want to write in something just a little bit smaller. What a 4? Because it's a lot of info. Lots of info. So let's see. Manatees. Let's see. Okay. Can you hear that rain hitting the tree? Manatus. A-T-I-R-O-S-T-R-U-S. Large. Fully aquatic. Mostly marine animals. Jax is bullying his toys in the background. Sometimes known as sea cows. So while I'm writing this, I don't know if I could talk because then I'll mess up, but you can read along, read the shallow. I hope this is not all over the place too. Marshy, coastal, areas and rivers. Gulf of Mexico, where we are. The Amazon basin in West Africa. West Africa. Mothers and their young, or ooh, it's really raining out there. Males during mating season. And this is what I really love, are generally solitary animals. Maybe I was an animal, a manatee in my other life. So, let's see. In this one, we want to do, I must do this manatee face, because look at that face. So they have like this kind of, you know what, walruses. I totally forgot about walruses. So we skipped over, I thought about seals, but you know what, they are actually more walrus than they are seal, right? Because walruses are huge, but they also, there's those little nostrils. They also come out of the water. These are walruses without tusks that do not come out of the water. I think that's weird that they don't come out of the water. Don't you think that's weird? Don't you think they'd be very wrinkly? Well, they are wrinkly, but that's because they're fat. Look at those eyeballs. I really want to capture these eyeballs, because that is the manatee eyeball. That is the manatee. That is their trait that makes them so freaking adorable. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. Can't stand it. I do that with Jaxie too. He's so adorable. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. These little, are those, do they have blowholes? I should have looked that up, because there's these like little triangle things here. I know they blow stuff out of their nose, but, and oh, they have a lot of dacerella on their noses. A lot of dacerella. Lots. Oh my God, they're so damn cute. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. Can't stand it. All right, let's do some. Let's do this one. A little more gray. Where's all right, let's do just a tinge of green there. Oh yeah, look at how sweet, absolutely sweet this little sweetheart is. Look at that. A little bit here. Nostrils. And then I just want to pull all that color out. I don't know what Jack's, he always has been so needy lately. Well, we didn't, you know what, WALK, because he would have blown away. It was very gusty since we woke up, so no, he has not been out. And he probably wants his WALK, which we cannot do today. I'm not even gonna look at his face and tell him. He knows I'm talking about. Because how do you look at that face and tell them no? Which is something I've been told is very hard for me to do for my baby. Very hard. Very hard for me to do. So I'm not even gonna look at him and tell him. Nope, not even gonna look at him and tell him. Throw in some Davenport. This paint's really nice. This is not a painting. It's informational, but it still looks kind of cool, doesn't it? I do want to do, how do I do those eyes? I don't have black. I do not have black. I want to do those eyes. I guess I'll have to use, I'll use this. It is really raining out there. Oh, so we didn't even talk about the solar eclipse. Was that fantastic or what? That was so fantastic. I'm telling you, I've seen a couple of eclipses. I know the one in 2017-ish. Ooh, too dark. And then, trying to emphasize those adorable little eyes. But this one was really something. We only got 60% here, but just seeing that 60% was so cool. And then I watched on the Weather Channel. That was so cool. Cried my eyes out, of course. So, yeah, I thought that was the best. It was the best. Look at that face. Look at that face. So let's write some more stuff about them, because they're very interesting. They are very interesting. So let's see. Ooh, wrong one. Manatees. Are herbivores. And eat over 60 different freshwater and saltwater plants. Let's do IE. Let's see. Pickerel weed. Alligator weed. Water lettuce. Musk grass. And I just have pickerel weed. Looks like this. And sea lettuce looks like this. Ooh, stuff is blowing off the tree in front. Just dead leaves right now. It's kind of like lettuce. And this is pickerel weed. Let's paint those in a little bit. So pickerel weed. Let's do the sea lettuce. I need something greeny. Really greeny. Lighter on the ouch, but then let's do this really greeny sea glass. A couple colors in there. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this ocean paper is so pretty. I will do more with ocean paper, I promise. Pretty. Now the pickerel weed is really light. There we go. Just a real quick something. And then what else can we say? This I witnessed. This I witnessed. Approximate 50%. Sleeping. Submerged. They surface, even though they're sleeping, they do surface regularly. At intervals, and that was my first encounter of 20 minutes or less. And they're still sleeping, but they would submerge. Something in their brain makes them submerge, and then go up to the top, blow out, and then inhale, and then they go back down. So they're doing this subconsciously. Really cool. And that's what I was sitting there. I was like, what is, somebody's blowing their nose. And then I finally realized my first manatee. And the rest of the time, is spent grazing. You know, I must have been a manatee in my other life. I spend the rest of of my time. Oh, this is what I wanted to do while I still had the gray. Ouch. I just wanted to do a little, bit of shadow. Not too much. I don't want it to be too much. Just a little. Little shadow work there. Just to give it a little oomph. Because I haven't been spending a lot of time doing my nature journaling, and I really should. I got a lot of full page stuff that I want to do, that I have a list started, because I'm learning, I have to learn my Florida. And this is why I'm doing, because you saw with me when I did the palm trees. Well, now I did manatees, and I have more things in coming up. I did sunken gardens. So, but I have to do it more. I have to do more. So let's see. Now I want to do. Oh, you know what I love about manatees? I love their tails. They're adorable little tails. They're paddle tails. Paddle tail. Let me move this over a little bit so I can do the paddle tail. Let's see if I can get this in. So he's kind of rounded here. They have such weird bodies and eyeballs. That little facey face, that adorable little facey face, with those little nostrils, the Dotterelli. That's why I love them so much. They're so full of Dotterelli. Little Dotterelli, baby Dotterelli. Okay. And those eyes, the little eyeballs. Oh my God. Just drawing their eyeballs makes me fall in love with them. Look at them, look at them, look at them. And then we'll fill most of this in with paint. And here's his arm, or flippy. Here's his little flippy. Looks like an arm though, the way he's got it all curled under. And this one goes here. They are just so, and of course, behind him, all right, he's trying to do this. Behind him is this huge paddle tail. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but you know what I want to do? Let's do some more. Let's get some of that sea, the beautiful sea behind them. Let's see. This is called At Sea. Let's do North Sea. First, I want to erase any lines. Once it came over those lines, they kind of stay. Oh, I did a big mess there. That was dumb. Oh well. Mistakes happen. There's nothing we can do, right? Let's put that blue. Nothing we can do. All right. But that fabulous tail. That fabulous paddle tail. Make it darker because it's furthest away. I do need some darker colors with my oh, it was a little much, but hey, I need some darker ocean papers, but I don't want to order from them anymore because they don't reply customer service. They're very expensive. I'm purposely just doing all this. And it's not just me, many other people have had the same problems with them. So in solidarity with them as well, as much as I love ocean papers, I can't order from them anymore. I don't trust them. All you needed to do is just send an email, right? And the thing is, I'm not even worried about me. There's other people that are still waiting. They're waiting longer than I did. So I don't know, what the dealio is. I know that they were part of that big fire in Hawaii, but that was a while ago. But they're still taking money on their website, and I don't know. I just feel if there's a problem, just communication. I would not be mad if you just communicated with me and say, hey, you know what? We had a fire. We will get this order to you. It's just going to take some time. That's all you needed to say. That's all you needed to say. In my case, I was moving. And I know that the post office doesn't, oops, that's a little much too, doesn't forward packages. So I don't know what would have happened. The people that bought my house would get several $100s worth of watercolors, and they probably had no idea that they would. They probably don't even, I don't know. So this one is not as, the paint job, oh, it's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. Now that I like, actually now that I'm doing it, I like the blue interspersed there. I like that. I need smaller, just to get the little nostrils. Those little nostrils, little eyeballs. So cute. Oh my God, you're so cute. I can't stand it. Can't stand it. Look at, this is my favorite. The mom on a baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. They are my favorite. Let's see. Love that tail. Love your tail. In here, this is hard to write like this. There are many conservation programs to help the manatees. Save the manatee. See that club is a nonprofit. protects them. And they're aquatic. EIR. You can make mistakes. Aquatic ecosystems. That's nice. That's nice. That's founded by Bill Graham. He's a former Florida governor. And of course, who else? Jimmy Buffett. I'm gonna cry. Jeez, so getting emotional over these little sweethearts, because look at them. They deserve to be taken care of. There's so many accidents, and this is why I can't go to the Save the Manatees Club Facebook page, because I can't look at pictures of bad things that happen to them. Look at me, I'm all emotional. Bad things do happen to these manatees because they're such gentle souls, and there's some nitwits out there that drive really fast on their boats or have propeller boats that just aren't. It just happens. It's accidents and things like that. Starvation. What is that called? Red tide. Sometimes, but yeah. But if you don't get upset, please go to this site. And there's other ones too out there. Help them out. God, I just love these manatees. Oh, they're so adorable. Thank you for being here and crying with me. For my art chit chat. I'm so glad that you're here, and we will do lots more nature journaling and things like that. Let me know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe, because that helps me, and I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate that you're here. Please chat with me on the comments if you have any questions. If you have any more information on manatees that you would like to share with me, I would love it. And I'll do a close-up of this as well. So thank you. Thank you for being here. Love you so much. Bye-bye.